Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can change the ownership of a space on ClickUp inside your workspace really quickly. For example, to transfer that ownership to one of your team members if you don't want to manage that space anymore. So let us guide you through this, guys. It is very simple. Before we jump into the steps, just keep in mind that changing a space owner can be really useful for organizing your workflow, especially if you're structuring your team, delegating responsibilities, or bringing in new members to handle specific projects. It also helps keep your workspace clean and ensures that each space has the right person in charge. Head over to your workspace on ClickUp and access the space you would like to transfer the ownership for. Like, let me go, for example, with that test space I created for demonstration purposes. Click on these three dots to access its settings. And after that, head over to Space Settings here, and here to the right select All Space Settings. Inside your space settings, guys, you may, for example, customize your space by assigning a custom icon and name, and so on and so forth. Make it private, describe it here, and so on and so forth. So, if you'd like to change the ownership, simply click on that arrow down icon next to the current owner and pick any of your team members listed below to make him or her the new owner. Just don't forget, guys, to click on Save Changes to save and to apply these changes. And that should do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. Additional tips for ClickUp users. If you're working with multiple spaces, it's a good idea to regularly review who owns each space to make sure everything stays organized and up to date. Also, assigning ownership helps maintain accountability, improves communication, and ensures that your team always knows who to contact regarding any specific workspace or task. And if you're managing a large team, consider setting up clear naming conventions and icons to help your workspace stay visually organized and easier to navigate. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. You can also leave a comment below if you want a full walkthrough on creating spaces, managing permissions, or customizing your workspace even further.